Diolch Cymru. Diolch un. Live, you who held history in your gloves. Die, lily, our Caerdydd Woodham wander. Tree, Gemma, from Tonangeli to that pass to Kerry. Pedwar, Sophie, your body given to Cymru, from park pitches to walking out at the Euros. Oh, how you deserve this. Pimp, Rhiannon, your story should be in the Mabinogion too. Diolch to you and Ted. Diolch Cweg, Josie Green, our Canol Kai dream. Scythe, Kerry, your skill, your Cymru swagger, deft turned in red. Diolch for getting us off our seats. Oath, Angharad, Diolch for carrying a rainbow, a team, a nation. We would follow you anywhere. Now, Kaylee, Diolch for your years of relentless drive up muddy pitches to a Swiss stage. Diolch for the cwtch. Deg, Jess, Diolch for that goal, for all those that came before. Diolch for never giving up, for wearing this Cymru shirt with pride when nobody was watching. You have earned this. Indeg un, Hannah, defied your body to be here, defied those who said you couldn't, defied the England keeper. Indeg dau, Sophia and Poppy. Diolch for being vital bricks in a war gork. Indeg tri, Rachel. Diolch for being the sweetest, smiliest enforcer, fueled by fire, playing heart first. Indeg pedwar, Hayley. You have known what it was like to play for Cymru when our war gork was just being built. To play for Cymru on this grand turf. Diolch. Indeg pimp, Elise. Diolch to our bodder within baller. Indeg Cweg, Charlie. For you, playing for Wales is pride, family, honour. You carry these in the threads of your cork shirt. Indeg Saith, Lois, a spring in your step and your curls. Indeg Oeth, Esther. Diolch for bossing it against the Netherlands. Diolch for saying you liked my Tom Jones t-shirt. Indeg now, Ella Powell. Do-da, do-da, do-do, Ella Powell. Diolch. Diadeg, Carrie. Football for you is joy, and Diolch for the joy you gave us, to watch you weave around the green, smiling. Diadeg un, Saf. One woman red wall built from Lego bricks, writing your name in the history books along the way. Diadeg dau, Alice. You who play for your family when you play for Cymru, my Cymru and daily. Diadeg tri, Fion. You know what it means to be Welsh, the fight to be seen. You carry the flag with speed, the Llandeilio blur. Diolch to Rian, leading us into the summer of our lives. Diolch to those we do not see, who pull the strings of this dragon, on laptops, putting down cones, organising fan walks on a megaphone, capturing history with a camera, or making these videos. And Diolch to you, Iwar Gork. You are Cymru. Our anthem says Wales is paradise of Bardd, paradise of the poets. And Switzerland, ye have been a paradise for me. Diolch yn fawr, until next time, Cymru am Del.